chicken or fish? Well, you're in the right place, because this place has lots of birds and fishes. It's called the Chula Vista something.
Used to be called the Nature Interpretive Center. I forgot what they call it now.
Yeah.
At least I think that this is the same place.
Guess those are marshes over there. Maybe at one time there were a lot of herons and other kinds of birds in there. I guess I don't see anything there now. And you go in there and they got sharks. Not like, great white sharks or nothing like that, but some minor sharks. And manta rays and stuff like that.
We have the whole place to ourselves. We have to head on out in a couple of minutes, but I mean, it's awesome. Nobody else is here except the staff. Kind of neat. We did miss the feeding, so we got a late start. Because of me, of course. And we missed the feedings of the turtles and the bald eagle, or or eagles and something else. But still, we're having fun. Anyway,
I got snakes and lizards too, because most of the snakes,
tarantula.
They hide under stuff and
And
everything.
owls, beautiful owls here, and jellyfish, tarantula. Did I say tarantula?
Tarantula.
So we're having fun, and we're gonna go look at, go inside over here and look at. Oh, anything we missed, huh?
Yeah. Okay, guys. See you next video. Bye.
Bye.